Nestled on the breathtaking Bávaro Beach in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, VIK Hotel Arena Blanca offers an all-inclusive experience that encapsulates the essence of a Caribbean paradise. With its pristine beaches, lush tropical gardens, and a plethora of activities, this resort is a haven for both relaxation and adventure seekers. Here, we'll take you on a detailed tour of what this resort has to offer, ensuring you get a comprehensive view of what to expect when you choose VIK Hotel Arena Blanca for your next getaway. Accommodations. The standard rooms at VIK Hotel Arena Blanca are designed to provide comfort while maintaining an affordable luxury. These rooms are available with either a king-size bed or 2 double beds, catering to different guest preferences. Each room comes with a private balcony or terrace, often offering either garden or ocean views, which add a special touch to your stay. The rooms, while not the most modern in design, are clean and spacious enough for a comfortable stay. The decor reflects a tropical theme with vibrant colors and local art, although some guests have commented on the need for updates or refurbishments, particularly in terms of furniture and bathroom amenities. Ocean front rooms. For those looking for a more immersive experience with a Caribbean sea, the ocean front rooms offer an unbeatable view. Waking up to the sight and sound of the ocean is undeniably one of the highlights of staying in these rooms. They are similarly equipped as the standard rooms, but with the added luxury of direct views of the sea. The natural light and cool sea breeze that flow into these rooms enhance the ambience, making your stay feel like a true escape. Family suites. Family suites at VIK Hotel Arena Blanca are designed with larger groups or families in mind, providing ample space to relax and enjoy each other's company. These suites can accommodate up to 5 guests, featuring either a king bed with a sofa bed or 2 double beds plus a sofa bed. The extra space includes a seating area, making it ideal for families to gather or for groups to have their own little living space away from the hustle of the resort. Dining. El Dorado Buffet Restaurant. El Dorado, the main buffet restaurant at VIK Hotel Arena Blanca, is where guests start their culinary journey. Open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, it serves a wide array of international and local dishes. The buffet layout allows for a diverse dining experience, with themed nights that introduce you to different cuisines around the world. From Dominican specialties to Italian pasta and Asian stir-fries, there's something for every palate.
La Trattoria.
For a more fine dining experience, La Trattoria steps up with its a la carte service. Here, the menu rotates between 3 different cuisines, ensuring that your dining experience remains fresh and exciting throughout your stay. The restaurant specializes in creating a more intimate setting, perfect for romantic dinners or special occasions. The focus on quality ingredients and preparation is evident, particularly in dishes like fresh seafood and well-cooked steaks. While reservations aren't required, due to its popularity, arriving early is recommended to secure a spot. The ambience at La Trattoria, with its open-air setting and attentive service, adds to the dining pleasure. Snack bar. The snack bar serves as the go-to spot for casual dining or quick bites between activities. It's perfectly positioned for those lounging by the pool or beach, offering a menu of comfort foods like burgers, fries, and pizza. This is where you can grab something to eat without having to dress up or plan your meal time, making it ideal for a laid-back vacation vibe.
Pool and beach bliss.
One of the standout features of VIK Hotel Arena Blanca is its expansive 1,900-meter swimming pool. This is not just a pool, it's a centerpiece of the resort's outdoor activities. Surrounded by plenty of lounge chairs and shaded areas, it's designed for both relaxation and fun. The pool size allows for different areas where guests can swim laps or enjoy more shallow, playful sections. For children, there's a dedicated pool where they can safely splash around, often under the watchful eyes of parents or hotel staff. Bávaro Beach. The real jewel at VIK Hotel Arena Blanca is its direct access to Bávaro Beach. This beach is often listed among the best in the world, and for good reason. The sand is as soft as it looks, and the water is clear enough to see to the bottom, even in deeper areas. The resort provides beach chairs, umbrellas, and towel service, ensuring guests have everything they need to enjoy the day. The beach offers a serene escape, with activities like volleyball or simply lounging under the sun. However, some guests have noted that the beach maintenance, particularly in terms of seaweed removal, could be more consistent. Despite this, the natural beauty of Bávaro Beach, combined with the hotel's amenities, creates an idyllic setting for beach lovers. Water sports and activities. To complement the beach experience, VIK Hotel Arena Blanca offers various water sports and activities. From snorkeling to sailing, there's an opportunity to explore the sea in different ways. The Water Sports Center is staffed with professionals who can guide beginners or provide equipment for more experienced adventurers. While the selection of water sports is somewhat limited compared to larger resorts, the availability of basic non-motorized activities like kayaking or boogie boarding is appreciated. Activities and entertainment. Daytime fun. VIK Hotel Arena Blanca keeps guests engaged with a diverse program of daytime activities. Whether it's learning to dance merengue, joining a beach volleyball match, or participating in a cooking class featuring local Dominican cuisine, there's always something happening. These activities are well organized, providing both fun and a chance to immerse in the culture or meet fellow guests. Evening entertainment. When the sun sets, the resort transforms into a hub of nightlife and entertainment. Live music, themed parties, and shows ranging from magic to dance performances are part of the nightly lineup. The entertainment is lively, often drawing guests from around the resort to the main areas where these events take place: fitness and sports. For those who like to maintain their fitness routine on vacation, the resort offers a fitness center equipped with basic machines and free weights. It's not the largest or most modern, but it serves its purpose for a quick workout. There are also tennis courts available, providing another avenue for physical activity. Spa relaxation. The spa at VIK Hotel Arena Blanca offers a sanctuary for relaxation, with treatments that aim to rejuvenate and pamper. From massages to facials using local tropical ingredients, the spa menu is designed to cater to various needs. The ambience of the spa, with its calming music and serene decor, complements the therapeutic treatments on offer. Fun for the little ones. Kids Club. Understanding the needs of families, VIK Hotel Arena Blanca has a well-regarded kids club that operates from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. This club is a vibrant place where children can engage in arts, crafts, games, and mini discos under the supervision of dedicated staff. It's designed to be both fun and educational, offering activities that reflect local culture and encourage social interaction among children from different parts of the world. Parents often praise the kids club for giving them some free time to relax or enjoy adult activities, knowing their children are in good hands. The club schedule is varied, ensuring kids don't get bored, although some have suggested more space or outdoor activities could enhance the experience.